In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign out of YouTube app on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, signing out of the YouTube app works differently than on a computer, and because your YouTube account is tied to your phone's system level Google identity, you have two choices. You can hide your account by using YouTube signed out, or remove the account from the device entirely. So the first thing you can do is a signed out method, which is best for privacy. And you can do this like, basically make yourself anonymous. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube application. Then tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap your account name at the very top. Then what we want to do is just go ahead and press switch account. So if you press the settings wheel icon, you're going to see switch or manage account as one of the options. Scroll to the bottom of the list and you're going to see use YouTube signed out, or it's going to say turn on incognito. So go ahead and press that, and then you're going to basically be signed out and you can, search as much as you want. Now, what you could also do is permanently sign out and remove your account from your device. So what we want to go ahead and do is on YouTube, go back there. We're going to turn off incognito, but then go back to the settings gear cog icon. And then you're going to see a lot of options, but we want to click on switch or manage account again, and then go over and press manage accounts, which is at the bottom. Then click on the Google account you want to sign out of. Then you're going to see remove account as one of the options. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.